Welcome back to another episode of Sunday Funday, where we review our Fidelity Health Savings Account. In today's video, we're going to review our deposits, our purchases, and our dividends received. One fun fact about a health savings account that a lot of people probably don't know or are not aware of is the fact that you can invest your money. And you can put your money in tax-free, it grows tax-free, and as long as you use it for a approved healthcare cost, you could use it tax-free. Currently in the year 2022, you're only allowed to put $3,650 into your health savings account. As far as our deposits that we've put in so far, is I was able to cash out all my vacation time I didn't use from my previous employer, and then have them put a big chunk of that into my health savings account. I recently got a new job, which that employer actually puts $1,700 into the health savings account. So that's a very nice employer benefit that you want to make sure you take care of. The only thing with the new employer is they have their employer sponsored health savings account. So their money has to go into the company that they picked to have the money go into. In about a week, they're going to deposit the first half of that money into that health savings account. And then at about June, I believe, in June, they're going to deposit the second half into that other health savings account. So I'll have $1,700 sitting in cash in that account, and then I've already got my $1,900. So that means I will have maxed out my health savings account contributions for the year. So that is one fun fact that if you know you're going to have overtime, or if you have to cash out your PHOs or vacation time, you could ask your payroll personnel deposit a big chunk into your health savings account. I decided to go with Fidelity because I previously had a health savings account with a bank, and they cut their interest rate way down. So I decided I needed to do something with that chunk of money that was sitting in there. Currently, I have left, I have about almost $14,000 in my other health savings account, just in case I do need to use it. I can use that account for actual healthcare costs, and then or an emergency. And then I'm just going to invest as much future money as I can. As far as purchases for the month of December and part of January, I do not believe we bought anything. Oh, I lied. So as far as purchases for the month of December, we were able to purchase a real small share of VOO with the dividends from VOO. And then we were able to add a little over 3 shares of QILD. But as you can see, currently we have about $2,000 in our account that we can deploy. I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do this year. So far I'm trying to decide if I want to add a little bit to each position or just load it all into VOO. So if you want to give me a suggestion, please leave a comment down below. Currently our account has the potential to generate $443 worth of income, which is about $36. Currently, my healthcare cost for my insurance premiums is around $22, I believe, right now, and that's with the high deductible health plan. So I would like to get this to be able to cover that. So my goal by the end of the year is to have this be to $44. That way my health savings account is covering my healthcare costs. As far as dividends in the month of January, we've already received $1.68 from Leggett & Platt, $8.12 from Franklin Resources, and $68 from QILD. So here's a graph we made last year to kind of show us our dividend income throughout the year of our account. So it's neat to see that almost every month it's been above where it was previously. So the red line is 2020, the blue line's 2021, and the white dotted line is the current year. But it is good to see that almost every month it's higher. Some of these months it has to do with the way QILD pays out, whether it pays at the end of the month or the beginning of the month. Sometimes it pays out 2 times in 1 month and then doesn't pay out at all in the next month. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, this is Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull dividend portfolio, our Roth IRA, and M1 Finance, our Fidelity Health Savings account, and our M1 Growth portfolio. The value of all of our accounts is all the way up to $44,766, which is pretty impressive. That basically we've been able to take our money that we normally would have spent and put it into an account and track it, it's pretty amazing how much money you can accumulate if you pay attention to what you're doing with it. Currently, the account has the potential to generate almost $2,000 worth of income, which is basically $5 a day. So if you remember from the Roth IRA account where we were saying to do the $5 a day challenge, basically all of our investments accounts is allowing us to do the $5 a day challenge without us having to do any work. So if you remember if you do the $5 a day challenge, how hard it seemed in the beginning when you were starting to save $5 a day, eventually your money will be making $5 a day. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, if you want to start investing with M1 Finance, there's a link down below where you can get some extra money from M1 Finance for opening an account and depositing $100. Or if you want to watch other investing videos, click the links on the screen or check out the videos in the sidebar. Thanks for watching.